On today's video, we'll show you how to hide apps from your App Store purchase history on your iPhone. This can be useful for keeping your purchase history organized or for hiding apps that you don't want others to see. So, let's dive into the step-by-step guide on hiding apps from your purchase history. Hiding apps from your App Store purchase history is simple. Just follow this step. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner to access your account page. And then tap on Purchase to view your purchase history. And if you have family share enabled, tap on My Purchases to view your personal purchases history. Find the app you want to hide on the list and swipe left on it. As you can see, you can tap on the hide button that appears. Then, the app will now be hidden from your purchase history. And please note that hiding an app from your purchase history doesn't remove the app from your iPhone, nor does it cancel any subscription associated with the app. If you want to unhide an app from your App Store purchase history, follow these steps. You open again the App Store and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. And tap on your name to access the account setting page. Scroll down and tap on Hidden Purchases. Find the app you want to unhide and tap on the cloud icon with the downward arrow to unhide the app. The app will now be visible in your purchase history again. Now let's check to the purchase history. As we can see, those unhide applications now will visible again on the purchase list. Keep in mind that unhiding an app will not automatically reinstall it on your iPhone. You will need to download the app again if you want to use it. And that's it. Now you know how to hide and unhide apps from your App Store purchase history on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. If you have any question or suggestion, leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!